Hello guys again. Today I got a package from China. This is the exclusive Motorola P30 Note, and I got one bonus from Motorola wireless speaker. Let's open and see what I got the inside of the package. After that I will open, I will continue the video. After opening the package, guys, I got these two items inside. One is the bonus actually from Motorola. This is a wireless speaker which has a dual logo on the up and the back side, and I will do the review of this as well after I will open it. Let's put this aside. And here is the Motorola P30 Note. This is the alternative version of the Motorola One Power, which launched in India, and this one is come with ZUI, and it has a 4GB and a 64GB ROM, all in Chinese here because it's exclusively sold in China only. And here is the back of the package. You see the Motorola logo, some QR codes, and here is Lenovo logo as well. As you know, the Lenovo owns now the Motorola's mobile division. And here is Motorola P30 Note. I will do the full review after I will open the package, and then we will continue. Stay cool. So let's start the unboxing of Moto P30 Note Chinese version. This is not the Android One phone. This is the comes with ZUI. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. It has an extra seal here, actually. Seal of Motorola. Let's cut that one as well. So here we go. Oops. We saw the Moto P30 Note inside. Let's take out phone itself. Let's put the phone here. Let's see what's other things inside. This is power. We had a Motorola charger. And this is, yes, this is a quick charger, and we have a USB Type-C cable. Actually, it is a Type-C, as you can see here. It is a USB Type-C cable. Yes, that's it. Nothing else in the box, just what we got. Let's keep this there, and here we have a case and other things. SIM ejection tool, and Motorola and Lenovo set. Also there is a screen protector provided by official Motorola, and this is it, guys. And here is the silicone transparent case. Yes, this is standard one, and this is pretty good quality, not something that provided with Xiaomi phones, actually much better. That's it. And here is the phone itself. Very nice one, feeling nice at the hand. Very good one, good one. So let's boot it for the first time. Let's remove all of this, and here we go. Here we have the power button, volume up and down rockers, SIM tray here. We have a USB Type-C, speakers for microphone and for ringtones, and we have a 3.5 mm headphone jack as well, and no air sensor actually. Let's boot it up. Yeah, here it is, running the Moto logo. Screen is IPS LCD, very nice one. You see the ZUI, and I will post a video after I will put my stuff here. See you soon, guys.